The United States intelligence community has publicly expressed concerns over China's potential to surpass the U.S. in the race to return humans to the moon and establish a lunar outpost. The competition between Washington and Beijing for strategic positioning and international collaborators in lunar exploration is intensifying. U.S. officials are alarmed by the rapid progress of China's space program, particularly the swift construction of an Earth-orbiting space station. China is reportedly on track to achieve significant lunar milestones, including landing humans on the moon and establishing a permanent base at the lunar South Pole by the end of the decade. This revelation has raised worries in the U.S., especially as NASA faces delays in meeting its own lunar exploration milestones. NASA expressed concerns about the readiness of SpaceX's Starship lunar lander for the Artemis 3 mission, which aims to land Americans on the moon by late 2025. The mission's timeline may be pushed from December 2025 to a later date in 2026, potentially delaying the U.S. goal of establishing a permanent human outpost on the moon by around 2030. NASA Administrator Bill Nelson emphasized the seriousness of China's commitment to reaching the moon, stating that China is in a headlong race to achieve its goals. A U.S. intelligence official highlighted that China sees space as a critical arena to counter U.S. influence and aims to establish dominance throughout the 21st century. The ongoing space race represents the first major global competition among world powers since the Cold War, ushering in a new era of exploration with the potential to surpass the achievements of the Apollo program. China privatized its space industry in 2015, leading to significant growth opportunities in the commercial sector. While the U.S. is poised to lead advancements in space, there is competition from China, which has independently built its space station and is progressing in developing quantum communication satellites. Space and defense expert Omkar Nikam pointed out a technology gap that both the U.S. and China must address to achieve their shared lunar exploration goals. The effectiveness of the launch segment, dominated by companies like SpaceX, is crucial for the success of space exploration targets. Nikam emphasized the need for economically viable technologies and diversity in successful launch companies for the financial sustainability and thriving of both nations' space programs. Overall, while the U.S. and China's space ecosystems compete, there are specific gaps that need addressing to enhance the robustness of their space exploration initiatives. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell.